Hello kids, I miss you and I'm here to have a video that you can watch me and we can do our lessons at normal except you're at home, okay? So the first one we're going to do is our beginning mantra. First I'd like you to meet my workout buddy. This is Bridger and he'll be working out with us. So are you ready? Ready, Bridger? Let's go. Okay, this is new to me, so wait just a minute. Oh, shoot. Okay, here's our attention mantra. Ready? Attention! Huh. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slap, clap, snap, tap, pat, nose, cross, hips, knees, toes, calf, and dab. Why are these so important? These are important because it helps you to cross the midline and use both sides of your brain, your right hemisphere and your left. So it really is good to get you all, your brain ready to do all the learning that you have to do. All right, here's our next mantra. Ready? Attention. Huh. Ready. Stop, clap, slap, stop, clap, slap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8. You like that, Bridger? Ready? Attention. Huh. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop, stop, clap, stop, slap, stop, clap, stop, stop, clap, stop, clap. Practice that a couple times, and if you're able to send me a video of you doing it, that would be really a good grade for you. All right, you'll be seeing my next video soon. Bye, and I'm looking forward to being with you and helping you have fun and learn at the same time. Bye-bye.